name is Gladys Rosette Nandutu, and I work with Videa agenda, that is Vijana for Sustainable Development and Environmental Action. We work specifically with young people and women across Uganda for all districts, and our work runs from human rights to conservation and protection of the environment. Now, we've had different partnerships with Aura and Nature Talk when it comes to the environment, and I should say it is one of the areas that we've really put our efforts. Mostly when it comes to tree planting, we had in 2020 we had tree planting at Prioritise, where we planted over 2,000 trees, and then also this year we had tree planting still at Prioritise. We had to add more trees after there was a lot of degradation and chaos around Prioritise, where you'd find illegal sand mining. There was a lot. So what we had to partner with a number of people, communities mostly. We have a Prioritise committee, that is a community committee that has to do the tree mapping and have to take care of the trees. And we also work together hand in hand with National Water, the Ministry of Water and Environment. We had to work with the National Forestry Authority, and we are glad that on this project we are now working with the DPI, and we are very happy. We hope we are going to be having to work with them every day and every day that comes by, because really we need trees, and environmental conservation is one thing that we have to look at, because it is the main source of the good for the planet. If we don't take care of our planet, then nothing will be good for us. If we need to have that proper well-being for all of us, the animals, the humans, we have to look after the planet. So we've done some tree planting in partnership with DPI, Aura, then Nature Talk. We are going to make sure that those trees are taken care of, they are looked after, so that we can see how beautiful our planet will be. And it's great thanks to DPI. That is the message we have for you, because you've been there for us when it comes to the environment, and we're hoping to have more and more with your work, so that we can see the beauty, what it brings on table, because it is for us all. You've cared about us, not yourselves alone, but even us. So we thank you, and Videa being that we work with mostly women, because these are the immediate victims of climate change. So we work hand in hand mostly with women and young people. This is the biggest percentage of the population. So we have to work with them, because we are working for the future generation. Yeah, thank you so much.